Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we see computer network. In previous class, we see computer network. In this class, we are going to just revise second chapter and third chapter. Students, second chapter, Windows Movie Maker. Okay, in second chapter, Windows Movie Maker. Student, this Windows Movie Maker, Microsoft company, they stopped. Okay, they stopped all the updation version. If you are installing Windows 7, okay, if you are using Windows 7 and you can able to install with this Windows Movie Maker, but the thing is what, Microsoft company, they totally stopped providing a software of Windows Movie Maker. Okay, you cannot able to get Windows Movie Maker software in a from Microsoft company site. Okay, but from the third party site, okay, third party site, a few members are there, they are providing Windows Movie Maker application. Okay, unauthorized person, you can download and you can install in Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. But when installing a Windows 10, student, in Windows 10 itself there is a updation is there. If you updated latest version in Windows 10, this Windows Movie Maker will not work. Okay, so then why we are studying? You are thinking like that, now students, whatever graphics you are learning, okay, whatever graphics you are going to learn in a higher class, this is a basic. Okay, this is a basic. If you know this only, when you are going to learn high level graphic animation, high level to cut, copy or animating some particular video editor, after learning this basic concept, if you are going there, you will easily understand. Instead of this, you didn't learn this only and you are going directly to animate a video and you are going to learn a high level software, definitely you will get a struggle. Okay, definitely you will get a struggle and you will not understand also concept very easily in that particular place. Okay, and in this Windows Movie Maker, components of the Windows, okay, components of the Windows Movie Maker, it is same. Example, just to imagine, this is a MS Word. Okay, this is a MS Word. What component name exists here, same component name exists in Windows Movie Maker. Okay, what are the component name exists in Windows MS Word, same component name exists in Windows Movie Maker. Example, MS Excel, what are components, and MS Access, what are component name, same names all exist in Windows Movie Maker also. Then what is the difference? Okay, first of all, title bar in Windows Movie Maker also, title bar, menu bar, ribbon, same ribbon, static, but this place in Windows Movie Maker we are going to add a video to edit. Okay, only few things we have to learn, and in menu bar some changes will be there, name of the options will be different, but component name same only. Okay, components are same, but the options what they given in Windows Movie Maker, it is different. Okay, in Windows Movie Maker, what things you are going to learn? Very simple. You are going to about only the video and picture, audio. How you are going to make a video with a picture, how you are going to make a audio merge, means with the audio how you are going to make a one video with help of audio, picture and all, how you are going to make video, that all things. In Windows Movie Maker, you will learn cut, copy, paste, after delete, merge, trim, caption, caption, title, okay, title after speed, and picture, audio, and not only this, after the transition effect, okay, video effect, this all things you are going to learn. So this all things only regarding a video, okay, how you are going to cut the video, how you are going to copy the video, okay, after how you are going to paste, import, export, how you are going to delete, how you are going to merge two videos, and trimming, caption, the letters, while playing a video, letters will come, title of the video, speed, fast motion, slow motion, that will come in speed, and with the help of picture, how you are going to make, okay, after audio, how you are going to cut, how you are going to merge, how you are going to combine. So this all are the things you are going to learn in Windows Movie Maker. And you may think, sir, this much is there. Actually, this is very easier. Very, very easier. Only one practical session is sufficient. You will learn this all things very easily. And after learning this only, you can able to move forward for learn higher animation editing software. If you are not knowing this, and if you are going to learn any animation making, okay, if you are going to learn any animation editor, you will feel very, very difficult, okay. So this all are things you are going to learn. Already you learned, I explained in the previous class, okay. You just to go and see once. And students, don't force your parents to buy a laptop or a computer. No need to force anyone for any purpose, okay, because whatever school will open soon, government, according to government guidance, school will open. But the thing is what things necessary for you practical, you will get practical session and you will do the practical also, but no need to force your parents. If you are having any doubt in this chapter, in your book they given very clear image, okay. They given very clear image. While seeing only you will understand what are the things they are going to, what are things they explain, how we can able to make with option by option. Each option they shown in a practical way, and I showed also in a laptop. Already with help of laptop I taught you. So the thing is what? No need to ask mobile phone or laptop or computer, and no need to force your parents, okay. What things I taught here, learn only this much, and if you have any doubt, go through your book, okay. Okay, students, now we will see the third chapter. Third chapter, if you are seeing, students, chapter 3, chapter 4, both are MS Access. Okay, both are MS Access. In third chapter, you are going to learn about database. Database concept, okay. And in fourth chapter, how you are going to working with database, how you are going to work, okay. Okay, working with DB, working on DB, okay, database. Now students, What is database? Already I explained in a previous class. Database is used to store information. Okay, the information can be a database means what? It is used to store information. The information can be a picture also, audio also, video also, software, any type of data stored in a computer. Okay. Okay, that is a database. Okay, means any type of information we can able to store in a database. Okay, and if I come into the database structure divided into two types. One is the RDBMS, and next one is a flat file. Okay, RDBMS, flat file. Now, students, just you think. Just you cut this or, just leave or. Okay. Now see, database management system. Okay, database management system means any type of database, especially nowadays we are using, maximum everyone is using RDBMS only. Okay. Now just to leave the or, database management system. This management means you can cut, you can edit, you can delete, you can able to modify or you can insert. That all will come in managing. Okay, this database management system, in this place students in a school or college or office, any government sector, private sector, grocery shop or stationery shop, anywhere. Okay, anywhere, if the person is using system to store information, how it is storing, he don't know. He know how to see the data, he know how to store data, but the way how it is storing, only the few people know. Okay, so the data stored in only tabular form. Okay, the data stored in a tabular form. Example, ID, name, okay, father name, mother name. This is a table. Okay, flat file means what? I will tell the flat file difference between RDBMS flat file. Okay, now ID number 1, name Mr. A, father name Ram, mother name Shreya. Okay, this is a table. Any database, if you are saying it to store data in a tabular form only. Now see here, what is RDBMS? RDBMS means we can link up tables with help of the common field ID. Okay, mobile address. Okay, ID 1, mobile number 345, address UP. Now students, if you see here is the ID, here is the ID, you can link with help of this common field, you can link this both table. Now what will happen? Now I want roll number 1, I don't know who is that. I want ID number 1, his father name, please listen kindly, his father name I want, and the particular person name and mobile number. See this table, father name, particular person name, and mobile number where? Here. This is a different table and this is a different table, am I right? With the help of this RDBMS database, means there is a query you are going to learn in 4th chapter. With help of this RDBMS, okay, relationship, with help of this relation, okay, we can take a data, but you should know the common field name, ID. With help of ID, name is what? A. Father name is Ram. And the mobile number I want, what is the mobile number? This is called RDBMS. And in RDBMS, we cannot able to link only two tables. Means how much table you want to link, you can link. There is no any rule, you should link only two tables. You can link how many tables you want to link, you can link. Okay, so that is called RDBMS. You can link. Okay, now you are understanding why we are telling relational database management system. We can able to add and we can able to manage. Okay, so if I am adding one field here, automatically the data will come here also. Okay, that is a RDBMS. And flat file means that we cannot able to link both table. Only one table will be there. In one table we have to type all the information. That is a flat file. Okay, and students, few things are there you have to understand very clearly. This vertical is called column. Vertical is what? Column. And each horizontal is called row. And now each row we can say as a record. Okay, each row record. Why we are saying record? Now please kindly see the table. 1 name A Ram Shreya. Okay, now see 2 number B. Okay, sum limit. Now is it possible 2's parents name will be in the first row? Is it possible 2's parent name will be in the first row and first this year? Any exchange, any possibility is there? No. Means if I am taking number 1 field, this entire particular row store only one particular individual person information. This particular individual information, okay, is called a record. One particular record, roll number 1, entire record I want. So full information we can take. In roll number 2 means each row is storing individual record, particular person record. Okay. Okay, students. Thanks for watching. Please kindly take care of your health. Complete your fair copy. Do all the works regularly. Okay. Thank you.